What's up guys? Today I'm gonna show you guys how to do a V-shape reversal recovery pattern. These are really good to know. V-shape reversal. This is a really good pattern to understand because it happens quite often in the market if you're trading NQ. You know, to be honest, like, it happens a lot to a lot of different tickers, you know. So this is a really good V-shaped reversal pattern to understand and to remember. Okay, and I'll give you guys tips and tricks, what to look for, you know, the little small little details that you want to pay attention to, you know, to get your entry correctly with the right stop loss to protect yourself. Okay. Alright, so let's go through the chart. And V-shaped reversals usually happen after like a sharp drop. Okay, so you want to see a sharp drop before the actual V-shape. So kind of like this. This is a perfect example of a sharp drop, and then you have your V-shaped recovery right here. From here to here. Okay. So now we can go back to the shorter time frame, and I can show you guys what to look for. So we're going to replay the bar back to this bar, and we're going to go down to the 1 minute. Okay, so let's put V-shape reversal up here so you guys remember. Alright, so the first things first is you want to try to find your levels to look for. Okay, so first of all, we have a level right there. Let's make it golden levels, right? And then we have another level right there, another level right here, and there's a bunch of little levels in between here too, you know. But we're not super picky with it. We just want certain levels so that we can pay attention. Okay. So the first thing you want to look for is 2 consecutive green bars. Okay, 2 consecutive 1 minute green bars. That means closing candle green bar as well. Okay, so you see that we have one candle here, but this candle isn't a consecutive green bar, so we're not looking for entry yet. Another green candle, no green bar, continuation, not looking for entry. And then okay, we got 3 green bars, 4 green bars, and we also have a new level right here. Okay, so we have a level right here, a level right here, and you can even say this is a potential level right there too. Okay, so we have a few levels to break to the upside. Okay, but the most important thing is making sure that we break this first level with a confirmation candle that closes above this high right here. Okay, as you can see, we couldn't get the close, and now we get the close above. This is where you want to buy in. You will want to buy in 2 contracts or 1. You know, if you can't do if you can't split 2 contracts, split 1 contract, right? So you can go to like a micro NQ, and then you can do 10 cons of micros, and you can go 5-5, right? But the first place we're going to do is we're going to put a stop loss down here under the candle, and then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to look for our take profit zones. Okay, so we have the high. This is the very high that we want to aim for, and this is the first take profit zone right here. Okay, so we want to sell 1 contract here when we get here. So we're going to set. Oh, we can't do it in paper trade, but I mean on the replay trade, but we're going to, once it goes up there, we'll sell 1. Okay, but the main thing for us to look for as this is going up is that we want to break this level to confirm that we are in the uptrend. Okay, if we see rejection here and we can't break this level, it's a possible reversal to the downside still. So as you can see, we get a strong push to the up, a small pullback, and that was just an opportunity for buyers to step into the market again, right? get another red candle, more red, buying opportunity again. So at this level, you can say, I think a lot of buyers are stepping into this level right here. So that would be a place where you want to watch out for if it breaks to the downside, okay? And also at the same time, breaking out of this pullback right here, this top wick, when we broke that, that was a huge plus to the upside, okay? So then we got a break from there and a break from over here. So that's 2 breaks, 2 resistance, 2 spots where sellers try to come into the market, that we're about to break. So that's a huge plus for us, okay? And as you can see, that's why once we broke this level right here, it just shot up and rocketed, okay? Again, it's going. We want to take profit the moment we touch up there. Going. And going. And okay, and like once you hit here, it's okay to take profit for like 30 to 40 points. Because 30 to 40 points, we're risking about 19 points to make 30 to 40 points. You'll stand about 1.5 to 2 risk reward ratio. So you can, that's a pretty good stat to have when you're trading the market, okay? But otherwise, me personally, I'm gonna let it run, break above, and then go test the spot. Because after we close above here, I'm pretty confident that we are definitely gonna go test up here and probably go all the way to the top here. As you can see, we broke that level. Got a little pullback. I would take one off the table here, right? And then we just let the rest run and do its thing. And at the same time, you can move your stop to break even here, right? So that we'll put it a little bit higher so we can see our P&L. But you can move. You can feel free to move the break even. Nothing wrong with that. It's all part of the game. But yeah, so actually we'll put it right there at that level because that level is a big level, right? So we'll try it out. Wow, and look at that, right? I bounced off of that level right there. Couldn't hold below, so the trend is continuing to the upside. And at this point, you can be more than comfortable to put your stop right there at that level, because if it comes back down here, you best believe that we're gonna probably go further down again. Okay, so we can get rid of these lines so you can kind of see, because we broke this line already, so it doesn't matter anymore. So we're just getting rid of it so we can see a clear picture to the upside, less markings on the chart, so you guys can follow easier, and you can see how the candles, respect these levels. Yep, and now we just let it run, right? Just let it run through all the way until our take profit, which is up here. Okay, and this is how you play a bar reversal. And to be honest, if you want to stay in this bar even longer, you could, because this topping, this topping pattern right here, if we don't get rejection here, and it doesn't fall under. I would say if it doesn't fall under once it creates market structure right here, if it doesn't fall under that market structure, it can go up higher from there. So here you can see it's slowly creeping up above, no real pullback, and that's a strong move to the upside. And now you're starting to get a small little pullback, creating some market structure as we wanted. If we wanted to play the upside, you want to see this market structure, right? And now that the market structure happened, you can say, okay, a break to that can give you a play to the upside, right? And actually, this is the next day right here, right? Quite interesting though, as you can see, V-shaped reversals. We don't have to go through that because we caught a big move rate, right? So V-shaped reversals, step 1. Step 1, look for 2 bars, continuation of green candles, right? And that is right there, 2 bars, right? Step 2, on a break of resistance right there on that candle. So step 2, break of minor resistance. Okay, and then step 3, follow through past second resistance, which is right there, right? Take profit. Step 4, take half profit close to key level slash TV one. That's for take profit spot 1, right? And then you have your ultimate runner all the way up there. Okay. The last step, TP at ultimate level. And this is your V-shape reversal. Okay. Let you guys take a look at this so you can kind of remember how to do a V-shaped reversal, what to look for, small things to look for, crucial things, that really matter on a V-shaped reversal. Because if you don't see these steps and you see like a small switch up, that means that the market's probably trying to do something different, right? So, like for example, something to look for, if we don't see a continuation up here and we see a drop down here, right? If we see selling from right here instead of the move up here, then that is not a V-shaped reversal. That's completely different price action, and we don't want to be a part of that. Okay. All right, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay. Appreciate you guys' time. Hopefully, you guys learned a thing or two. Hoping to continue this, but I can't do it unless you guys help me like and subscribe. Okay.